Hi everyone, I am a Major. In this video, we will look at user-defined parameters. During the process of using the Hinge installer, we can find custom parameters. We can add corresponding parameters to control the parameters of the Hinge. For example, if we want to punch holes in the Hinge, we can enter custom parameters, the parameters for hinge drilling, to control whether the hinge is drilled. Okay, now let's open SketchUp and do a demonstration with you. First, we go to the drawing area to create a cabinet frame, and then add the cabinet door. These are all built into the software. Okay, let's turn on the X-ray here. Then we select the model, and then create the hardware for it. We can see that, after creating the hardware, the hinges do not generate holes. How do we generate the hinge holes? There are several methods. The method we use here is the hinge installer method. In the hinge installer, we can create a new scheme. Then, for the plan, also adds custom parameters. The name of the scheme has been created here, and then we can install this scheme. To install it, of course, before installation, we must delete its hardware. After selecting the model, we can delete the hardware. After deleting, and then click Install. Okay, click the mouse cursor on the door. Well, in this way, we have installed the hinge solution. Then we select the model and generate the hardware. We can see that it can generate the hinge hole. How did we do this? In fact, in the current scheme, we add a custom parameter for hinge drilling to realize the operation of drilling the hinge. Okay, next, I'll show you a demonstration operation. Let's delete the current solution first. In this way, it will be cleared and return to a default state. Okay, next, we will operate on this model, the hardware. First, delete it. After deleting, then we will demonstrate with the right door. Okay, first of all, let's look at the right door. If we want to generate the hardware, there is no hinge hole generated here. Okay, let's delete the hardware first. Then, we select the corresponding hinge component here. This method was mentioned in our previous video. Then here is a hinge drilling option. We select No. Okay, then the slider to the bottom. Then we can add the parameters of the hinge hole. In this place, we can enter a name for the hinge parameter. We enter hinge drilling, and in the parameter section, we enter SFDK. This is a parameter for whether to punch holes. Here, we keep the default. If we enter 00 here, it means drilling. If we enter 1, it means no drilling. So we enter 0 here. Okay, click OK. Okay, in this way, we have added a custom parameters for the hinge perforation. Then we click Save. Okay, here we are. We name the scheme. Okay, after that, and click Save. In this way, we have a plan. Okay, let's click Install. Click here. After naming, we can press the spacebar to end the operation. After selecting the model, we can generate the hardware for it. After generating, we can see that it has generated hinge holes. So we need to know that the hinge installer is very powerful. We can also add many custom parameters. For beginners, maybe, don't know how to add these parameters, or how to write them, we can contact the technology of ArchiWood to teach you how to fill in these parameters. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you, all.